Alright, I've clicked the button. Now, if you're watching this VOD, you'll be hearing me, in theory. I hope. So, the goal of this video is very simple. We're going to be making missiles better than nukes via explosion or whatever. I'm just going to show the mine process live, so that should be interesting. Alright, let me test out my code, because I need to make sure that text-to-speech works, otherwise I'll be sad. So I need to open this up, hit enter. And if everything works, then it should happen. Now, I don't know how many views this is going to get. It's either going to get a few views or like 0. I don't know. I've gained like doubled my subscriber count since last time I went live, so I have absolutely no clue what's going to happen here. All right, let me test TTS. All right.
Cosmoteer says test TDS.
Okay, there you go. Now I can get on to what I want to do. By the way, how's this beautiful thumbnail? I made it myself. It's very cool. Uh, kind of want someone to be in the stream, but I'll start in a little bit. So if you're watching the VOD, then you have fun doing that. All right, let's check out YouTube analytics. See what's going on here. I have like 340. Well, now 342 subscribers. This video's doing pretty good. It's got like 250 more views than my last one. So maybe someone's gonna click on this video and click on this VOD and be like, what's going on here? I'm sure that's gonna be cool and all. Alright. So yeah, well, I'll just start, why not? Because this is gonna be a long process anyways. Okay, quit game. Quit the menu. Alright, so I currently have one mod installed. So I'll just turn that off. My better railgun mod. I did get Notepad++, so see how that works out. Haven't used it, but I got it for this scenario. Because, why not? Alright. So let's see. Once this loads, in the next 10 years, I'll be able to make a file, and then we can start modding all the missiles. I don't know what this whole Discord thing is here. It just kind of exists, and then it goes away. I guess anyone who's on that list gets a shout out every time I restart my game. Very nice. Yeah. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the example mod. Everyone has this, but okay. Everyone has this. I just want this to be able to copy and paste all the intel, and then I can make a new folder. Is my mouse okay? It's like jittering. Are we okay? Huh? What? What? Did my mouse die? What's going on here? I'm moving it left and it's going up. What? Huh? Okay, that's cool. I'm sure that won't be a problem. User mods. So we're gonna make a new one. Call it Better Missiles. That's not better. There we go. Okay, and now I can go in there and paste the example mod. Now I want to do the whole removing all the stupid text because it's annoying. I could quite literally copy and paste from my last better thing I made, but I'll show this process for anyone who doesn't know how to mod. But basically anything with the 2 forward slashes, they don't matter. They're just text. So you can just remove them all. We do not care.
Vaughn says funny timing, I just finished watching the railgun video.
Ah, hello. Yeah, there's been a few people who are finishing watching the railgun video. That one's doing pretty good. It's a 1 out of 10. YouTube gives you confetti if it's the 1 out of 10. I'm just gonna make better missiles, and then I'm gonna turn this into a YouTube short, which should be great. That's the plan at least. So we want the action of replacing, because that is the best action ever. Can't go wrong with that. Ignore if existing. We do not care about that. That's something else's problem. All right, we can go all the way down to the bottom here. Make sure we keep that lower bracket. Put it to the end. Oh, I need to open this up in Notepad++, but I don't know how to because it didn't give me the option. I'm gonna save this and then I'm gonna try. Open in Notepad++. Oh my, the new technology goes crazy. All right, so let's see. Can I like control plus this? Can I make it bigger? Oh, is there a bigger button? Tools? I don't know if I can zoom in. I'm just gonna have to hope my eyesight's good enough for this. All right. So we want to make the missiles better. That is the plan. All right. So we need to go find the missiles, which we can do if we go into Cosmoteer, the Steam page, which I don't have open. So like we get there. Oh, I clicked community. No. Misclick of a century. That's gonna load that instead of what I want. Alright. I got library though. Need to go to managed and browse local files. Because this is where you can go into data and you can go into shots. Which is what I want. Where's missile underscore HE? HE is the one I want. Alright. There's only one rule set. For Nukes, there's 2 rule sets, which is interesting. Okay, now I want to copy up to data. Don't want to include data because that actually breaks it for some reason. I learned that one the hard way. But we're gonna replace this part. So anything with the less than a greater symbol, I'm gonna delete that. So it's just those 2, and then Control V. Yeah, whole shots. You don't want the first slash there, and I'm gonna change all these backward slashes to forward slashes. I don't know if that's necessary, but it works out. Okay, of course that isn't all because we want to go into this file, which is missile underscore he dot rules. So just copy this one. That's missile underscore he, and then dot rules. Heck yeah. So now we're in the file. Of course, we're not going to be able to do this part of it because that is not in that file. Let's see what's in the file. Haven't actually opened this ever. I could go into Notepad++ again. Why not? And boom. Heck yeah. So the tabs are like here now. So I guess I can remove the changelog. Yeah, we don't need that. Oh, this is like the text-to-speech panel. I don't need that. Okay, so this is the actual mod that we're making, and this is the rules file. I do the basic changes, so call this better missiles siles. There we go. Example underscore mod. I'll just call this better underscore missiles. Okay. And this is made by Cosmoteer. How about that? I wouldn't believe it myself, but it is. Okay, I don't care about the logo. We're not that cool. Make our own logo real quickly.
Vaughn says Star Sector could be a fun game for you if you haven't heard of it. I'd check it out.
I think I saw a comment that was like, you should check out Star Sector. I have not actually done that. But first, I want to get this coding done because this I want to turn into a YouTube short, which will be hype. All right, so we need to find hit. Let's see, anything cool here? Negative acceleration. Death by lifetime. I could make the lifetime infinity and beyond. So you know what? I'll do that first. All right, we have to go into components. So it's based on like the left side here, and these like bracket things. So let me. Oh, I don't have to do that. I just do that. All right. So you want the / then components. Next, you want the, where is it? Death by lifetime. Okay, do not copy both those, please. I hope just highlight it because it's the same. Okay, it was. And then finally, you go into lifetime, and that's where the equal sign is. So that's what we can change. And then we'll replace it instead of 15 seconds. We'll just make it like, I don't know, 10 minutes. That should be fine. All right. Now with that, we're gonna copy this all over, and we're gonna go somewhere else. So let's see where else we can go here. Got sprite. I don't care about that. Got lighting. Media effects. Targetable. So I can make the health really, really high, so that like frat cans can't take it out. All right, we're gonna do that. So we want start off with the component because we're still in that category, but now we're in targetable and then health. I don't know if you can like change this to like not targetable. I don't know how that works quite yet, but you know, I'm sure it's fine. Health, and then we'll just make like, I don't know, 100,000 should be good enough. Probably can survive a few rack rounds with that. All right, hit. This is the good stuff right here. So we have hit, we have hit operational, hit effects, and then you have total damage, which is, and radius. Ooh, okay. So we need to turn these two numbers like really high. That's how you get good stuff to happen. Okay, so copy and paste this over so that I can have the base setup, because it's not like we're changing files. Okay, let's change this instead of targetable to be hit. Okay, very nice. And then we want to go to the next thing before the bracket, which is hit operational. Okay, / hit operational. And then we want to go to hit effects. Okay, and this is where the fun part is, because this makes a lot of sense. So because hit effects has two different like subcategories, you have like this one and then this one. That means that this section is labeled 0 and this section is labeled 1. So it starts with 0 and goes to 1. So what that means in a nutshell is that we have to put /0 to indicate that we want to be in this section here. And then we can go to total damage and replace it. And then replace it with this sort of thing. Now, I don't know too much about the whole like replacing with like the bracket stuff. So I tend to just like delete this section and then like don't care about the exponent, because you know you don't really need an exponent if you're doing like 9 damage. All right, I don't think that's quite needed. Okay, well luckily radius, which is the next thing we want to modify, is right there also. Oh, this needs to be the back one. All right, that's better aligned. Very nice. Control C, Control V. Oh, this is still not aligned. Okay, that's cool. I like how it does like the whole like line effect, so that you know that like this section's on its own with the red line. So instead of total damage, we want radius, which in the same section, so we don't need to change that. And then probably not 999, that'd probably destroy the game. Like 500 should like clear the entire like invisible radius, so I'll just do that. Is there anything else that's important? Because if that's it, then wait, media effect, and that's fine. Hit friendly, you don't care about that. Hit structure, okay. Oh, that's it. All right, let's see if my my masterpiece works out. Now, if I hit Control S, does that save? I think it did. Let me just double check by opening it up in regular Notepad. So if I open this up, yes, it did save. But it didn't save, what? It didn't save my last bit though. Because it doesn't have the radius part. Wait, it does. Oh, because I didn't change the, what? Okay. I don't know what this is about, but I protest. When I go back to the Note Plus stuff, I wasn't there, right? Oh, it is. I'm just dumb. Okay. That's cool. Should have seen this, otherwise that would have been an error. Would have said can't do that because that's not base value. Okay, Control S, save it all, and keep changes, keep for all, reopen file. Okay, I'm just gonna reopen file. Yeah, okay, this makes sense. Very cool. We can now try out this. See if it works. So if you go to Cosmoteer, it'll automatically have better missiles if you did what I did. It should automatically have it. Yeah, here we go. So the odds this works first try is very low, but you don't know. It might. Maybe I'm good enough at coding for this to work first try. So we changed the lifetime to be like forever. Oh, uh-oh. Uh, yeah. Oh, hi. Oh, I like how the little Discord thing shows up for this too. So dumb. All right. Value was either too large or too small. Okay. Maybe 99999 was a little too much. Too ambitious, some could say. I'll remove a few nines. We'll make it 9 million. Right? Yeah. Control S. Maybe basically 10 million. Yeah, that's a good error, because that error means that it was easy to change. So it's gonna load now, but it's gonna load without any mods because the game is like, hold on, how dare you make a mod that is incorrect? So you have to basically make it restart again, which is a very fun process. That's why I did coding time lapses instead of doing them like in the video. But hey, that's what this live stream is for. There's a few commenters who wanted more like actual, what should I call it, modding tutorial stuff. So how you basically reset really quickly is by deselecting it, click restart later, and then reselect it, and then restart now. That's how you quickly reset the game. I would know because I had to do it a lot of times. Let's see. Alternate realities. Pretty good game dev. We got the Discord pop up again. Use Discord from the overlay. Nah. Okay, so the mod did not break the game, which is a good sign. Let's make creative mode and see how quickly this breaks apart or works. Who knows? This may just destroy the entire game, though. I'm not gonna lie, but it might not. Never know. Yeah, we just need to make some basic, simple little craft here. It's gonna do its job of like launching missiles. All right, hit Control Shift V. It restocks everything. All right, let's set up an asteroid. See how this works out. Did he do it first try? Okay, I'm gonna slow down time. This is gonna be so intense. Hold on. Oh, will it happen? Who knows? This is very intense. Many minutes of work went into this shot right here. Okay, it's either gonna. Oh, okay. So the radius thing did not happen. That's what I've concluded. Wait, what? Uh, yeah. Okay, so asteroid, no. Ship, regular, yes. Okay, let me just like plop a ship down, and if this gets instantly destroyed, then all right, we're good. Let's try again, this time with a slightly better craft. If I get a lost ships, by the way, it's gonna show up, right? Ships, lost ships. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh nice. Okay, let me control. Oh, I don't need to. All right, fire. Yeah, this is also very intense. So I'm gonna put at 1x speed though, so I don't have to wait so long. Is that gonna destroy everything, or it's gonna? Oh, let's go. Okay, so like it instantly destroyed like up to this point. So damage is the problem. Well, that means I need to put another 9 in here. Control, Shift, save. Oh yeah, look at that. It's good damage. Control S to save. Yeah, because 500 like destroys everything. So let's quit game. Let's see if this works out. Boom. Restart later. Restart now. Okay, so basically I just add an extra 0. I don't want to be editing Notepad though. I think I want to be editing in this guy here. Pilots in my. Yes. Reload it, just adds an extra 9. Alright, does the game break? It doesn't, so the extra 9 did work. Hello, Discord notification yet again. Alright, let's see if this works out again. Well, at this time it should like vaporize the entire ship. I like how it like blows up instantly. Like there's no like nuke shockwave, it's just all gone. Alright, let's go to lost ships, get this guy back, and then oh, is this guy? It's like a past version of what I made. I don't know. Let's attack it though. Alright. I would tell the ship to back away, but it doesn't have any boosters. Alright. See how this works out. Game is lagging, but that's fine. So in theory, this should do a lot more damage. Ah, that's a decent amount right there. But it isn't the whole ship though. Damn. All right, well, guess we have to add an extra 9. Nothing...
Sparky says interesting.
Yeah. So we're gonna add an extra 9. We're gonna hope the game doesn't spontaneously combust. And if it does, then I guess we'll have to go a little lower. Okay, because we went from an area like this corner to like this entire chunk, which is decent. All right. What am I trying to do? Oh, I'm trying to quit the game. Yes. And then I need to do this guy. Okay, let's see if this works. Because I had too many 9s before and I deleted like 3 of them. So adding 2 back might be a little too much. But that's for the game to decide, not me. I don't know. Seems like it's working now, which is a good sign. So, also might be the radius. So if this does not destroy the entire ship, then I will increase the radius to like 1,000. But in theory, that should be fine. New game. Is this career mode? No, it's not. All right, good. That's
Sparky says, what if you made missiles spawn more missiles on death?
I don't know how to do that. I only know how to replace things to make them powerful. But like, if you spawn a missile on death, like, what does that missile do? I don't know if that's like a feature in the game. I don't think the game could comprehend that. Because I can make a missile like explode bigger. I can change the values around. That's my skill. Alright, let's see if this just vaporizes this. That was a lot of thises in one sense. Oh, this is full speed, by the way, so the game is not going to like this.
Sparky says spawn bullet thing. It is what Nukes uses. It inherits the velocity.
I don't remember seeing that nuke. I remember seeing like a pulse thing. By the way, rest in peace that ship. I remember seeing a pulse thing. Like if it hits something with end damage, it does a pulse. But I don't think it like spawns another one. Also, how do you kill structure? There's like a let me see if I can find the comment. There's a oh, I hit hey, I hit 4 concurrent viewers. All right, there was a comment that was like along the lines of, let me see if I can find it, like how to remove structure blocks. I feel like
Sparky says check hashtag modding.
Check hashtag modding. All right, I can do that. Let me. Yeah, no, there we go. Hashtag modded. I want to remove structure blocks. That is my dream in life. But my dream does not want to happen.
Sparky says hashtag modded ships SSRY.
SSRY. Wait, S. What am I? Okay, wait. I need to go back here. What am I? Oh, that's sorry. I see. Okay, I understand.
Sparky says sorry asterisk. Sparky says LOL.
All right. Let me get Discord. So modded ships. Yes. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What is this? Go to modded ships and what things check. Okay. So like for removing structure, I don't know. Control F. And then like structure. I don't know if modded ships would be helpful though. Oh wait. Oh, like, oh, I see. I see what's going on here. I understand it now. Oh wait, is this it? Okay. So when I was trying to penetrate structure, I don't even know if missiles has structure. Let me see. Control F. Hit structure, yeah. How does it know? Oh, I don't think structure is a part of this. Hit effects. I don't see hit structure. Let me scroll down to hit. Maybe it's here. Hit shield, no. Uh, is there a hit structure? That's the question. Oh, hit structure. So how? So should I just replace this as false? Wait, it would do Discord message. Hit structural. Okay, so I see hit structural and it says and hit operation. What does that mean? What is this? What are these shenanigans? Alright, I'm gonna Alright, let's go into the code and let's get the one of these guys. And what if I
Sparky says it means it is exactly the same as hit operational.
hold on, what's hit operational?
Sparky says it is inheriting from it.
Okay, so hit operational is hit effect. Where is the good old fashioned destroy structure? Because hit effects type explosive damage. What can structure blocks not be explosively damaged all the way? Because I don't see the whole remove structure. Well,
Sparky says they can, uneasy face.
they can. All right. Okay, how about this? I'm just gonna go into hit structure and just say goodbye. I'm just gonna put like hit structural equals true. All right, we'll see how it thinks about that action right there. Did I copy and paste this? I did not yet. There we go. So instead of going to hit, we're gonna go to uh. This might be a little wild. All right, hit, and then do I have to go into a subcategory? Is this in hit operational? It is not. Hit structure is in its own little thing. All right. So Control C. All right, hit structural with true. Yes, do that. All right. I wonder what the game's gonna think about this one. And my computer is protesting this, by the way. It's the fans are going. Uh, we're gonna check out if the mod breaks, because it's gonna be like, what is true? Okay, please work. First try. No flaws. It's just gonna happen. Hit structure is true. It's not crashing. I think we're onto something here. We're about to hit all the structures because it's true. And if that's the case, I'm going to do the same thing with the railgun. I don't know. This is the only way that I would know how to do this. Okay. Let's go. Hit structural true. Please. Okay. Let's go and get my lost ship. Very important lost ship here. It'd take minutes to rebuild if I dare lost it. I need to go back here. I guess I'll put this guy down. Alright. Please hit structural. Be the solution. We need the cinematic. Zoom in. Game's gonna lag for a little bit, and then everything's gonna be gone. There's gonna be no structure blocks left. It's just gonna be nothing. If there's structure blocks left, I'll be sad because I turned it to true. Uh, See, I like how the missile's like a little bit away. Game, are you gonna be okay? Yeah, I can wait for program. Please, no structure blocks, no structure blocks, no structure blocks. Okay, the fog is taking a little bit to clear, but we are on 1H speed, so I don't know what I'm expecting here. Swear, if there's a bunch of structure blocks here, I'm gonna be sad. That looks like a bunch of structure blocks. Wait, I don't. Okay, let me just go. They're on like kind of half health. Why? Why are structure blocks so structural stuff? Do I have to go into the files and just remove structure blocks from the game? Structure blocks.
Sparky says, should I see if I can get it to remove structure?
Yeah, go ahead. You can just DM me the code, but I'm also gonna search for it because I don't know.
Sparky says I can test on my end.
Yeah, you test it out, and I will also test out. We'll see. We'll see what goes on here. Because hit off operational is just not a thing that likes to like actually hit things. Like I turned it to true, and it just does not care. All right. Well, I guess I will remove this part. I will try to find structure blocks in the code, and when I find it, it will disappear. Structure blocks will be no more. Okay, let me go into the files here. Okay, now I'm going into uncharted water here, so this is not where I wanted to be. Let's just open up game files here. All right, we're gonna go to data. All right, where would structure block be? Probably in ships. That's where things like that exist. Common, particle, jump. Actually, I can probably like search for it, huh?
Sparky says now I just need to remember to revert this change later lol.
Nah, this permanent change. Okay. Can I like search here? Structure. Aha, structure. Is this the structure file? Yes. Can I say no to you? I don't know how to like edit parts. I don't think I've gotten to this point. I want to just figure out what's going on here. Do you have like some invincibility thing going on? Uh, let's see. How does one?
Sparky says
Uh, what does that mean?
Sparky says that may do it.
Well, the thing is that I don't know how does one change this file. Max health. Where is the health type structural? Oh, oh my god, code spam. All right, let's zoom all the way down. So wait, what'd you do? Try adding this to damage field with filter. Hold on, you're going outside my base of knowledge with this one. I just replace things, man. I don't filter. Structural health equals true. So why does it not die? Oh, it's what? I, I see the 50%, but like why expand loss 50%? Yeah. That'd be much appreciated. And then I can figure it out more. Type explode. I don't I don't understand why structure blocks are a menace to existence, to the existence of good things in life. All right, excellent. Expand loss is related to the explosion expansion. Well, I don't think that really helped with my ship. All right, very cool. Let's So what are you changing here? Just change it. Wait, with filter. What radius do you want? I think I have it at 500. So I do remember. I can just show the code and this guy. Yeah, I have it at 500. The damage is at, I think, 99 million. Just a tiny bit. What? How? How do you just hit structure? Is hitting structure like its own thing? Like you have to duplicate the entire thing just to hit structure? How does one hit structure? I want to know this intel because then I can like split things in half with my railgun. Like, because you're making a whole new thing to hit structure. Like, is there a way to incorporate structure being hit with like normal everyday damage? Because the Cosmo devs really hated the idea of like things just disappearing. Like they had to make it so that structure blocks survive everything. Those gosh darn devs, I don't know what they're doing. Well, technically it's only one dev, but there's like multiple people. So yeah, I don't see. I don't know why Waltz thought, wow, if your ship gets completely destroyed, at least you'll be able to repair it. No, it should be gone. You'll never be able to see it again. Uh, I like how if you repair that, you just repair the structure. For this, and you get everything. Okay. I I want to get the structure blocks to not exist, and I want to do that in a way that will work. This structure stuff is not great. Hit type structural, uh, damage resistance. Is there like a? I need to go into like the example mod. Let me do that real quick. Put the menu mods, example mod. Okay, I have to go into my files, and then this one is the one. Okay, all of them with Notepad plus plus, because it's apparently the strat. All right, I feel like some. Why is it so small? All right, is there some great thing that will cause? Okay, so we have the action replace, the override. Did I just hear a Discord notification? Maybe. Question mark, don't copy that. You know, you can DM me this. You don't have to do it on the public Discord server. I don't know, it might be simpler. Just, oh, it's all being deleted. Rest in peace. Alright. Okay, I'm soon get a nice Discord message. Okay, where was I? I was doing example mod things. Which I think I opened here. Alright. The override allows multiple named what to be modified. Okay, where's the action of remove? Hold on, lock in. Uh, remove. Shit. I know a thing that I can remove real quick. I know a certain object that can be removed. All right, I'm gonna copy and paste this into my to my missile code. This is about to be fire. Okay, boom, remove. Let me tab. There we go. The remove action deletes vanilla data. Yes. Okay, where is... Oh, okay, so this is like deleting terrain shenanigans. Where, how do I delete structure shenanigans? Maybe I should like open up the file with structure. Wait, do I not have it here? I don't. Okay, let me go over to this guy.
Sparky says if you delete structure, I think bad things will occur. LOL.
Well, I'm sure it'll be fine. Base part train dot structures dot rules. What? Do I have to like put this part in there? I'm sure it's fine. Uh, I don't know how to like get to the file location. Like, is it really just
Sparky says no. Sparky says no.
no?
Sparky says NI. Sparky says no.
Ni. Okay. I want to delete structure though. How does one do that? So this like part. How do I get to the structure part? Let me go. Let me just open this in Notepad++. That'll make things simpler. Okay. I want you to not exist anymore.
Sparky says
Um. Is a really good sentence right there. Let's see. Hit structure. Hit operational. Let's see. Because it says remove, right? And you have ship/terrain/ blah blah blah. So what if it goes like you remove
Sparky says ./data/ship/terran/structure/structure.rule/part. Sparky says I think.
how'd you gather this intel? It's not. Wait a minute. What? Uh. Oh my, that's a lot. Why is there so many cash or what is this percent signs? All right. I'm pretty sure if I just put
Sparky says memory P.
Control C. All right, we're gonna just put structure, and I'm gonna just hope that works because
Sparky says there is a local path.
yeah, but like the local path is like on fire. Like, why is there so many percent signs? What's going on here? All right, I'm gonna just Control C structure and Control V structure, and it'll be no more. I just have to wait. No, I want to be in Notepad++. All right, muscle memory is not helping me out here. All right, so it's like, is this like a rules file? Is this like structure.rules? Is that what this property is? Yeah, it's rules file. So what if I like replace what's in the example with like set reactor small, just put structure. Structure. Set reactor.
Ngarja says yay Notepad++.
Yes, I did the thing. Okay. I replaced small reactor with structure.
Sparky says FR pensive _ face. Sparky says LOL.
Alright, part/component/destroy effect. I don't know. I don't know about all this yap over here. I might just, can I just like just quote part? If this is set true, this section will do nothing. If the remove does not, I don't care about this part. This part's not needed. All right.
Sparky says Imma make a GIF for Yat.
A JIT for Yat. That's what I just heard. Thanks, text to speech. Oh, just for Yat. Yeah. I don't know how to do that. Maybe in future, but for now, I want to see if this just removes structure. This is going to be an interesting VOD to go back to. All right. Structure, you are no more. I just part. That's the whole structure block just gone. Okay, I need to actually get the Cosmoteer. There we go. All right, I'm sure this is going to be a-okay. Game's not going to break at all. Okay. Please. Game, I believe. I believe I just destroyed structure off the face of the earth. And it's not going to break my game at all. Hi Discord notification. Yes, please. 17 okay, that's cool. 17 hours lock in. Does this not exist? What's your problem here? It won't let me see. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. Oh, I have to focus my eyes for this one. Program file. Okay. Reference that, and then at mode. Yeah. There's a scroll wheel. Oh my god, alright. Could not be resolved. I'm sorry. What do you mean cannot be resolved? I just deleted you off the face of the earth. You should be happy, all right? Uh, I'm gonna control Z, that like last
Arkin
function.
says other parts require structure to be built. Sparky says that is likely SMTH trying to reference structure, which you got rid of.
Nah, it doesn't need
Sparky
structure.
says LOL.
Structure is something that no one needs in life, all right? You don't need a structure to be happy, all right? All right, it's gonna have no mods, and then we're gonna load it back in. See, if you just say that it's false, then like there should be like a thing in coding where you just like say it's true and it works automatically, no matter what went wrong, just so the game could break in real time. All right, let's hope this works. Okay, and better missiles. The thing says false now, so nothing could go wrong. Something went wrong. All right, why? I don't think it likes it when I think that the problem might be related to the structure block, maybe not liking to be dead, but I don't know. Just a thought. Might let's see. Let me do the reference. Yeah. So what do you mean structure is required for other parts to be built on? I mean, like, that's just a theory. Like, that's not true in some instances. I want to go back to the file, which I think I can go into here. I don't know how to, like, reference this stuff. Like, how do I reference the structure stuff? Like, do I go the part and then, okay, I'm assuming that you just go into part. Yeah, because it says slash part. Okay. We're gonna actually. Would that mean I have to do replace? I can do like action replace, and then I can go into this file and then replace some value that's important. I'm gonna do that. Well,
Rundarja
we'll
says
see.
you could install Cosmoteer syntax language for Notepad++, it will show you stuff in different colors.
You can install Cosmo to your what? How? How you even do that? What would be the way to do that? Okay, let me put this guy in here. Then this has to be a replace. Boom.
Sparky says you can also get the Cosmoteer rules language server if you get Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
Rundarja says Google Cosmoteer syntax language.
Why is okay? Ahem. Let's see if this works. Cosmo. Why is? Who are these nerds that set this all up? Like, yes, let me make a syntax coding language for Cosmoteer. Uh, where is the one the nerd Reddit right here? What's going on? Uh, where is said thing that I want?
Rundarja says Cosmoteer syntax language.
Cosmoteer's official forum. Am I blind? I might be. Do I just have to go back? Is there something? Search. Eh. Delete the Google part. Enter. Okay. Surely this one is gonna give me what I want. Would it be awesome? Cosmoteer. Blah blah blah. Well, if you send my text editor, you now can. Addition, downlines. What is subline text? Quote. Uh, is this the area I want to be in, or no? That's the question. Hmm.
Rundarja says Minator Cosmoteer syntax language.
Alright, I did not hear the first bit of that. What content? Who's Minotaur? Minotaur person? What is this? Okay, we're gonna do this instead. I don't know. Okay. So, oh, this is Walt. Hey, it's the game dev. Nice. Okay. This. Enter.
Arkan says the one on GitHub.
There's one on GitHub. I might be going too much into the sauce with that. Uh,
Randarja says yet.
yeah. What are you saying yeah to? Who knows? Uh, I might be going too much in the weeds with this one. I'm getting lost in the forest here. I don't think I need the colors to be matching. I think I can accept this, I suppose. All right. I'm going to not go down that rabbit hole, at least not now. We're gonna do it with this. We got the Notepad Plus. That's all we need in life, really. Okay. I need to replace something valuable here in the structure block to make it go away. What if where's the whole like you're not dying actually mechanic? Because I need to turn that to a no. What if I just set its health to 0? That seems like a great idea. So I'm gonna do that. And it's gonna work. And then / max health. And I'm gonna replace that with a good old fashioned 0. Boom. Take that structure block. I'd like to see you survive this one. Alright. Now I need to actually go back to Cosmoteer, which I don't have open because it died. Alright, we're gonna restart without mods. I think I just hit my mic. Oh no. I'm gonna restart without mods, I'm gonna restart with mods, and hopefully the structure block has 0 health, so it just dies instantly once it exists. It exists and then dies. That would be cool. And if I have to, I will put a negative number there. I'm not afraid to divide by 0. Alright. New game. Create. Okay. Hopefully the structure... Wait. Oh, this is not modded. Hold on. That would be not great. Alright. Please Cosmoted... Or Cosmoteer code. I don't know why I said Cosmoted there. That was not quite it. Please Cosmoteer code. Lock in. Don't die on me. Structure blocks max health should be 0. So it should die instantly the second it spawns in ever. So hopefully it'll all work out. Seems like the code is running. Let's see if...
Randarja says set it to 214-748-3647 if you want it to max health, maybe, 4.
We don't want structure block to have max health, alright? We want it to die. Because we want the ship to stop existing when we launch our missile at it. Because we have the missile that goes crazy, but we don't have the structure. Structure blocks do not care. That's what I'm trying to say. Structure blocks are like, you hit me with 10 million damage? Nah, we survived that.
Randarja says ho -1 then.
-1. Well, I'll try with 0. We'll see what happens here. Okay, please just disappear. I want nothing left when this missile loads in. Alright. If I see a structure block with no health, but it's like still there, I'm gonna be sad. As long as it's not half health. If something happened, that'd be good. And if you're wondering, yes, my game is lagging because I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. Alright. I swear. Structure blocks better not have half health. Okay, they're at 0. Good. Good, you know what that means? It's time to put a negative number there. -0. Okay, that would not help. Alright, -1. Alright. Very cool. Structure now is no health. I like to see that. Good sign. Main menu. Do this. restart later, better missiles, restart now. Because if this is the case, then I'm definitely gonna load up
Sparky says okay, I had to go there for a bit.
Okay, that's cool.
Sparky says MBK.
MBK. MB stands for my bad. MBK? I don't know. Unless I read that wrong. And he said MBA. I don't know. MBK. Okay. Alright. That's not even what I thought. Alright. Let's see if the game is going to accept the -1 structure block. Alright. If the structure block has like negative HP, I'm going to be sad. Okay. My ships. Lost ships. This guy and this guy. They're going to have a great time. Just going to let this happen.
Sparky says, did my code not work? LOL.
Did your code not work? Well, you see, hold on. Cannot be greater than -1. All right, my fault. I'll put -0.9. I don't think I tried your code. But what code did you even give me? Message requests. Ignore. All right, let's see what this guy sent me. Well, the thing is that you're a solution here.
Rundarja says, yeah, it crashed because of. Sparky says D.
So, yeah, let's see. Copy. So, type explosive, total damage, radius, filter. Wait. Can I just put this part into the code? Like the filter part?
Rundarja says, yeah, it crashed because of D.
Wait. Yeah, that's so true. So true.
Sparky says yes, but make operational health equals true.
I don't know like where I'd implement that into the code though. Like, is this just like a different tab? Or is this like, if I control C this, will it just go into like here? Type because this is like in
Sparky says
actions.
copy and paste it into hit operational. Sparky says where the damage normally is.
And hit operate. Ow. Oh, it's admin. I just sent him a message.
Sparky says no.
Well, okay. But I'm in actions. Do I have to go into something different? Okay. But one thing I want to do is -0.1. Because it said -1.
Sparky says into the projectiles file.
No, I can't go into the actual files of Cosmoteer. Unless I do like an action, like.
Rundarja says I love text to speech. It sounds so happy. Ha 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 ha.
Yes. Alright. I am going to do this again, but with -0.1. We'll see if that works. If this doesn't work.
Sparky says, oh, that's how you're doing it.
Yeah.
Sparky says that explains a lot.
That explains a lot. Yeah, I'm like, I don't know if you know like the whole like user mods. That's how I'm doing it. I'm not like going into the actual code itself and like throwing in random things. I did that to a few games that I have never been able to recover from. I had to delete the whole game, then re-downloaded it. Alright. Anyways, let's see if a -0.1 works.
Sparky says okay, give me a sec.
Alright, I'll let you cook. We'll see if this works though.
Sparky says this can still work.
Okay. I'm assuming like you replace something with that, like somewhere in the file. It's probably a good strategy. Because ideally, I want the code to literally just slot right into the actions. Like I just want Control C, Control V into the actions, and not have any shenanigans happen. All right. Does the game crash when -0.1 happens to structure block? Who knows? Because it said it had to be greater than -1. which I don't know if that means like in general or like that value specifically. That's we'll find out. All right, game. Good luck. Nope. 0 cannot be greater than -1. Did I not save? Control S. I don't think I saved. Oh, that's my fault. All right, time to do the whole restart thing again. I need to turn on my lights in my room. So hopefully no one TTSs right now. That'd be bad. Oh, you didn't turn on. Hit my mic. No, it's not. Boy, I did. Okay. No, here ain't TTS. Oh, yeah, no TTS has happened. 3 people here. Hello, 3 people. Very cool. Okay, what was I doing? I was going into Cosmoteer to reset my missiles. So maybe 0 point or -0.1 would work. That's the question. Question we all want to know about. Does -0.1 crash the game? Or is the game like, yeah, that's a valid. Oh. Okay, game. Are we okay? What that's the I literally did nothing. See like something. Alright, let's read this problem. Math expression. Oh, that's not a good sign. Uh what? I see an 8. I think I see the value. Yeah. So you're telling me that I can't use -1.0? I don't know. Wait, 1.0. I would say 0.1. That'd be correct. Okay, so structure blocks really dislike being at negative health. I guess that makes sense. Oh yeah, here we go. Get the new intel here. Add mini. All right. I will do that. I will copy and paste this. I will remove this code that is not helping me right now. I'll just replace the, no, I'll just delete it, whatever. Okay, now hopefully this just happens. I don't like how it's like too far. And you like click tab and everything. I could have probably just like hovered over everything and then click tab, but I'm sure this method works too. All right, now we have this chunk. Does dot/data work? I don't know. Normally I have it like up to shots, but yeah, it's your code. I'm gonna test it out anyways. All right. Make sure I have everything in here correctly. So
Sparky says ye that's fine.
Okay.
Sparky says yes.
All right. Control S. Boom. Gotta go.
Sparky says both work.
Both work. I don't know. I tried like /data and then /shots and then it didn't work. So that was great. Apparently you had to add a period or something. All right. This
Sparky says technically mine is unnecessarily long, but oh well, it works.
Unnecessarily long. All right. Terrible. Let's go to see if this works out. Then restart with this mod now updated. Cool. Okay. 6:27. I want to end at 7 p.m. So hopefully we're able to get this done by 7 p.m. That's the objective. So let's get this all loaded in and see if the structure block will stop structuring and be more not blocked.
Sparky says you don't have to do that. It should auto update.
It should auto update. I don't know. I just do it anyways. Like auto, like you don't have to restart your game. It just automatically does it. I did not know this. Is this true information? Okay. All right, game. Structure block no more. All right, it's gonna exist for a little bit, and then it's gonna all disappear. Zero structure block. It's all gone. If my game does not crash, because in theory, it's gonna be like another explosion, so I might not.
Sparky says you shouldn't have to disable/renable the mod.
Huh. Okay, so the structure block was killed, but it wasn't all killed because the radius was not high enough. Apparently. What? Okay, so the radius was 500, but one 500 is a little more than the other.
Sparky says more radius or damage.
I think that's enough damage, I'm not gonna lie. But the radius should be the same, right? So I'm just gonna add 2 zeros and just Control S, then quit game, and then apparently reload back into it. And in theory, it's updated. I don't know. We'll see. Update in real time. Alright. Then I can do this. Game is going to be sad for 15 seconds, and it's going to load in. Will hopefully be a completely destroyed ship. We'll see. That's the question. Okay, game is sad, but we'll wait for program. Is so this is wider, right? This is more. I don't know because it hit the corner last time. So I think it's a radius problem.
Sparky says it may not be enough DMG. Explosion damage can act odd.
Really? I added another 2 zeros in there, and there ain't no way.
Sparky says add more zeros LOL.
Bruh. Okay, well we're gonna do the classic strategy of just like, okay, what 9 billion? Let's see, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 9 billion right there. That should be. I'll make it 9 billion because I don't want that game to be sad because number too big. Control S. Okay, we'll see how this works. Quit the menu. Because if it's like getting cut down by 50% every time, then it's gonna be like significantly less every time it goes through structure block. Exponentially so.
Sparky says underneath radius add slices equals 1.
Slices equals 1. Did I hear that correctly? Under radius add slices. What does that even mean? What? How do you even add slices equals 1? Okay, slices equals 1. Nice. This definitely won't break the code at all. Control S. Let me make sure I spelled slices correctly. I don't know if I'm tripping. No, you did spell it like that. All right. Let's go to the game again, and hopefully it's all gonna work out this time. A lot of ships. This guy.
Sparky says the game by default used to. Imagine a pie chart. So your explosive damage is by default halved. Making it 1 should fix that.
Well, this is gonna be a little bit too much power then. Just slightly though. Well, I really hope that when this happens, I think we have to make the radius bigger. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is starting to become a radius problem. I'm gonna set it to like 1,000, and we'll see what happens here. Control S. Oh, that is not 1,000. That's in fact 5,100. Quite a lot.
Sparky says confused underscore face. LOL.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe just be a radius problem. Who knows? Okay, so unless the game is not updating all these changes that I'm making, that could be a possibility too. Just saying. I need to reset the game. I don't know. Okay, let me lost ships. So if this doesn't work, I'm resetting my game. That is my conclusion. And we'll see what happens here. Okay. I enjoyed the ship name. Man, I'm dead. So true. Poor ship. Game's gonna crash again, but that's fine.
Sparky says BTW, if the extra RAM doesn't help in future, making the explosion gradually expand is much less performance intensive.
Yeah.
Sparky says you still need to restart Cosmo.
Okay. But you said I didn't need to do that. To update automatically. Well, I have a good feeling that a lot of things have changed since uh the Better Missiles was
Sparky
updated.
says no.
No. By the way, Sparky, that's like a card in Clash Royale.
Sparky says I said you don't need to disable the mod.
Oh. Well, I do that to be able to restart. Oh god. So we're gonna erase like this thing right here because this should
Sparky says bro.
Okay. So
Sparky says why does everyone say that?
because it's so true. Okay, 9 and 9 is a little too big. I'm gonna remove 2 9s. Actually, I'm just gonna put however many 9s are here, which is the same amount. And I'll make this back to 500 just in case. Okay, Control S. We start without mods.
Sparky says that was not Slice's fault. Sad face.
Yeah, I know. No, Slices just had to go. I'm sorry. Slices was just it was just too much of a problem.
Sparky says that was your number being too high.
Yeah, I know. Slices did not deserve it, but it had to happen. All right. It's gonna break anyways. Watch. All right. So the reason why I disable the mod is so I can like restart it like this.
Sparky says integer overflow, my beloved.
Oh no. You hate it when the bits just can't calculate that high. So tragic. All right. By the way, the RAM is for the speed run I want to do because the ships in the 16 to 18 area are way too big for my poor 8 gigabytes of RAM to deal with. Creative mode. Please game not die. A sad, painful death. Okay. Let's go to lost ships. Then do this, and then do this, and then have a really great time because I'm gonna do that. And the game is gonna be sad again. But the structural blocks will be gone.
Sparky says I should probs upgrade mine TBH.
Yeah. How many gigabytes of RAM do you have? Because 8 is not a lot. At least not for this sort of things. For this activity, no. Oh. Oh, there's no structure.
Sparky says 16.
16, yeah. That's way better to me, though. You actually have gigabytes of RAM to spare for Cosmoteer. I do not have that. Okay, so now we have a very fun thing that takes out everything within a ship, which is good. That's what I want.
Sparky says though I feel like I may be more CPU limited than anything. But I can't replace that in a laptop.
Well, the problem is the laptop. But think about it. Alright, I did make a ship that's like just missiles. Let me see if I can find that again. Here you go. Long. Control Shift V. Ah, yes. It's long. Okay, this thing is a menace. No, I was thinking, like, if I made the missiles
Sparky says laptop superiority /J.
laptop superiority. I was thinking, if I made the missiles, like, last forever, I can do, like, a little chase
Sparky
thing.
says oh dear.
Yeah, this thing is built with frame rate not in mind. Definitely not for what I'm about to do. Well, if I like do my replace existing my speedrun ship. Oh, it's okay. Cool loading time. Uh,
Sparky says you can change their lifetime.
yeah. There's I set the lifetime to used to be like 10 minutes. It's like where is it? Replace uh lifetime. I put it to 600, so in theory they'll last a long time. Okay, I'm gonna have wait, there's no oh yeah, because I just like had these guys be on different teams. That's how I triggered them to fight. Alright,
Sparky says LOL.
we're going to change this guy to AI normal. And then I'm gonna change him to pirate. Okay, we're gonna have to run here. Let one A speed. Uh go. Go with your life depends on it. If a single one of these hit you, your entire lifeline is just gone forever. Alright. I wonder if these guys are actually gonna last like that long. Okay, I think oh no, the second wave, I forgot about this part. Burn. Okay, I think we're faster. Yeah, take that. This ship is so cool. Dodge all the missiles. This one. Uh-oh, that's not a dodge. Everything is just gone within the local area. I wanna bring one of these guys into the big systems. So let me create a new game. Just make a simple missile
Sparky
craft.
says Splod.
Squad? What? Okay. Nice. Squad. So true. Okay. I made a ship that was like just nuke. I don't know what I called it, but where is aha, low boy? Because that's a nuclear bomb that did a thing. Why did it not like replace existing? What? Huh? Oh, I got a new message. Oh, it's just no more. All right. Let's see what message I got here. Squad. Oh, I clicked favorite because I physically cannot open it. Aha! I did it. Zoom. It's just a Cosmoteer thing. Okay. Let's make a missile ship real quickly. Real quick. Okay, I need to go like this guy here. Then I'm gonna put like these guys here. And then like this guy located there. Then I can have this. Where is it? This. I'll put that there because wait a minute, I can do this. This is gonna be a better design. Because now I can have the hyperdrive be there. Have the crew quarters be here. Then I can have all the fun thruster things. Like these guys. There and there. Then turn. Turn capabilities. Nice. Alright, very cool ship. Now I need to make it so it's HE. Yep. Okay. And now control shift V. And now I can save it. A save shift divine. Divine. Alright. This is a ship. Divine. Alright. Yeah. Now let's send this out into the real world. Career. Ship.
Diceco says was say AAAA.
What's that's what I heard. What was that? Was that? Oh yeah, great. Uh, yeah, sure, it'll be invulnerable. Why not?
Sparky says TDS gonna freak W that. Sparky says LOL.
Yeah, the TTS does not like when you repeat words a lot. It's not a big fan of that action.
Diceco says didn't realize it's chat to voice.
Didn't realize it's chat to voice. Yeah, well, the reason why I do that is because I don't have like a second monitor, so it's great to know if someone is chatting to me. It's pretty cool.
Sparky says a wah 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 wah.
Yep. So true. I agree too, Sparky. Whoa, 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 or whatever. Okay, we're gonna just go out about here. Then we're gonna launch the missiles. Take out everyone. Theory the missiles won't kill me though, which is cool.
Diceco says 100 underscore points 100 underscore points 100 underscore points 100 underscore points
I love
100
that
underscore
emote.
points 100 underscore 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 points.
Well, that was kind of a tongue twister, I'm not gonna lie.
Sparky says oh noes. Sparky says.
Oh, did Sparky say that? Very true. Wait, did...
Diceco says nice.
Okay. Oh, the dots do not work. You've been scammed. Well, it just says you said something and then just nothing happens. Why at the I am? Alright.
Sparky says loudly underscore crying underscore face.
Loudly. Alright.
Sparky says robbed.
Yeah. You know, people spend money for that feature, you know? But right here, it's free, because why not? I don't care. I'm gonna destroy this pirate base with like a missile or two, I don't know. There's a pirate base.
Diceco says did you send friend request? Sparky says slash 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 slash.
Alright. Oh, hi guys. So how's your day been? Enemies, I'm just gonna quickly I'm just gonna launch one of those and then we'll see what happens. Oh dear's me. Are they launching missiles? Uh-oh. I think they launched some missiles too. Nice.
Diceco says please don't do that anymore thanks skull 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 100 underscore points 100 underscore points 100 underscore points 100 underscore points.
Yeah.
Sparky says question is, will the asteroid survive?
Yeah,
Sparky says
do
ruh
survive. The asteroid. I like how this missile is chasing me down. I have to avoid them.
Sparky says it didn't lol.
Oh, what a dodge. I think that if like how the pirate base is no more. It's gone. Rest in peace, pirate base. You'll be missed. Okay, let's see. Now my frame rate is at 16 because there's too many particles on the ground. This is why I can't speedrun the game. Well, I think if I like attack, I can't control that. And
Diceco says, "What are your PC specs?"
I can show them real quick. Keep saying quickly instead of quick. All right, we're gonna just destroy everything here, and you're
Sparky says yes.
Okay, let's see. I need to go to my task manager. There's like some weird like way you can do it with that. This is my memory, 8 gigabytes CPU. The Intel Core. Nope. Give me back here. The Intel Core. Whatever. Disk. Yep. Wi-Fi. Oh, how great. If this just leaks my location, that'd be great. Yeah, the IP. Oh, yes. This is definitely good Intel to share. Got my GPU. I think my memory is the problem because, like...
Fajar Surya Pratama says hello.
Hello. I made
Sparky
missile.
says LOL.
Okay, I'm going to
Sparky
launch.
says don't share that.
I'm sure it's okay.
Sparky says X. Diceco says I have spare 16 GB RAM DDR4 if you can install it in your PC.
DDR4. I have like an Omen like base build setup. So it uses what is it called? I'm gonna kill this guy while I try to figure this one out. It uses like Horizon X. So I ordered 8 gigabytes of Horizon X. So That'll mean I'll have 24. But it should be enough for whatever I want to do. By the way, goodbye. You are no more. Okay. Let's see. Uh, what I want to do? Well, I wanted to contact that guy, but they aren't. Oh, they are still here. Okay. Yeah, it's like the Horizon X DD4, which may be good. I don't know. Or DDR4. I learned all this terminology. Yeah, we're gonna kill this fusion bounty.
Dice Go says co-op.
Co-op. I have like 600 ping because, you know, I live in a beautiful place called the country, and I have satellite internet, which is like good
Sparky
enough.
says I wonder if someone could make a mod removing explosion effects. They are really laggy.
Well, I think the problem is that there's too many like particles on the ground, and like there's a lot of things that need to be like referenced for RAM, and I don't have enough RAM to reference everything. So let's just take this guy out on a nice oh, this guy probably has like the sensor. Yeah, hey, stop pushing me away. We can be friends. Alright, I want to get nice and close and personal with this guy. Oh, I guess not, because bro's gone. Wait, this is actually kind of a cool screenshot. I want to just gonna keep this one for the personal collection right here. All right. Control Shift U. All right. Well, that's a lot of a lot of EMP missiles. Very cool. Let's go kill this guy next.
Dice Go says I have 32 GB DDR4 RAM and it still lags when I try to make something huge. Haha, it's not optimized at all.
Optimized. Well, I'm assuming like for speed running, it'll help a lot. I want the bottleneck to be like the game, not my PC. That'd be cool. Let's see. Stations. Is there like a pirate base? There's not. Yeah, what time is it? Alright, it's 6:50, so 10 more minutes and then I'll stop streaming. So I can edit my next video. Okay.
Dice Go says I am from Croatia, so my English is not really good.
Yeah, that's fair. I hate learning foreign languages. Oh, we hit a new peak. We're at 5 people now. That's hype.
Sparky says if you think that, you should have played last year. They recently put out a fix that massively improved it.
Alright. Yeah, Cosmoteer be doing their thing. And I want to try to dodge missiles that last forever. I think that's like the next thing I want to do. So let me see how quickly I can do this. Alright. We have this mod. I'm going to go here, go to user mods. I'm gonna make missiles that last forever. Okay, I'm gonna make this. What if I just copy it? Is it gonna have all the mod? Oh, it
Dice
does.
Go says I know I started playing it from around the start of Cosmoteer.
I played back in the day when there wasn't like
Sparky says interesting.
I played back in the day when there wasn't like a solar system.
Sparky says noise.
Noise. Okay, I want just the lifetime one, so all this shenanigans right here can just die. Alright. That's cool. Yep. Control S. Let me just go like this. Then missiles too. Hopefully this works.
Dice Go says ah.
Whoa. We're at six people now. Very nice. Alright. Alternate realities. Let's see if the missiles last forever. That'd be nice. That is the plan. This is ring.
Sparky says ouch.
Ouch. But yeah, this is like mildly loud. I don't know how to change the volume of it, so I'm just accepting it. It's very cool. New game. We're gonna see if
Dice Go says mom, dad, 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 dad.
Great. So stupid. Why?
Sparky says evil.
Yeah. Okay. let's bring out Long. Long is a chill guy. I want the fast ship. I want a fast ship. That's what I should probably said. All right. Just make a new ship, but I don't know. I don't need to make one. I can just paste my SR3.
Disco says logo boy.
What? Oh boy. All right, makes sense. Oh, we're at the sixth person. They'll be missed. All right. SR3. Yes. Is there a way to make this more simpler? Yes, I can delete that. Delete that, and then
Disco says 7 now.
7? Really? Well, we were at 7. No, we weren't at 7. I don't know. YouTube does not understand it yet. Maybe you'll be like, oh,
Disco says it dropped to 5.
oh no, I fell
Ajar
off.
Surya Pratama says 67.
67. Yeah, it's been a while since it'll probably be a while until I have 67 live concurrent viewers if I live stream. I don't know.
Disco says shut it with 6-7.
Okay. Shut it.
Sparky says fell off pensive _ face.
Yep. See it.
Sparky says LOL.
Now you fall off when you don't have anything. See, you can't fall off if you never started. But I started, so I guess I can fall off now. Let me see how my latest video is doing. Have I fallen off? We'll see. Oh, we have 3 more community messages. I'll respond to those later. Alright. I literally did the exact same thumbnail as my other one. And for some reason, it has 300 more views. Why? I don't know. Very cool, I guess. Is 351 accurate? Oh, let's see. It is.
Disco says Master Shifu or Panda.
Master Shifu or Panda? Is that from Kung Fu Panda? Oh my god, I haven't seen that one in so long. I'd say Panda. I don't know why.
Sparky
but...
says 347.
Wow. You have outdated numbers, man. Unless, like, 4 people unsubscribe. Oh, I forgot about this part. Unless 5 people unsubscribed from me, that'd be tragic. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to boost in time. And I am not invincible, so... oh well, let's just make a new one. Actually, I can just repair.
Sparky says Aeon Dur dead.
Yeah, okay.
Sparky says F.
I like how the missiles don't die, so they just keep going. Well, I would respawn, but I don't think it's gonna happen, so I'm going to delete.
Disco says 351 subs.
Yep. That was like 4 days ago. It was like 71, so that was pretty decent. My next video, I'm gonna do the same thumbnail style because I have an idea for it. But it's a Roblox game, so I already recorded the video. So I recorded the video and then I made this live stream. So now I have to edit it once I'm done.
Disco says what is the time for you? Sparky says play UTPR on Roblox smiling _face _ with _heart _eyes. Sparky says 00:57 AM here, smiley face.
I'm working again. All right, cool. I unplugged my
Disco
microphone.
says 157 for me. Sparky says audio died.
Yeah, I'm back. Don't worry. So I'm at 6:57 p.m. So that's where I'm standing at. I need to reset my microphone so I'm not dragging on it constantly. Yeah, there we go. So let me see what epic questions something about what time is it for you? Yeah. What Roblox game? What does this mean? Why did I hit peak concurrent viewers when my microphone died?
Diceco says it's 1:57 a.m. for me, ha ha ha.
Bro, I would say get some sleep, but it's your choice. Sleep is for the weak sometimes. Wait, I need to go to my lost ship, and then I want to get the one that I was using. I want this guy. Oh, dang it! I forgot again. No. Okay, I need to not forget that part.
Sparky says Undertale test place reborn.
I haven't actually played Undertale.
Sparky says best Roblox game.
Oh.
Sparky says FR.
Okay.
Diceco says not I don't work Tamaru.
What? Tomorrow? Okay. You don't work tomorrow, so you get to stay up until the great hours of 1 a.m. Alright, I'm going to pilot this ship and try to dodge as many missiles as possible. And we'll see how good this works out. Okay.
Sparky says I got uni _.
Yeah, I kind of have uni, but I have high school, so that's cool. I've been sick though, so I've been getting away with this. Been sick for so long. Been sick for 3 weeks in a row. But hey, it's an opportunity to do what I want to do, which is YouTube. So I get to just have a good time and do that.
Diceco says how old are you?
I'm a professional human since 2008, as my banner says. So if you understand math, you should be able to get it. I want to see.
Fajar Surya Pratama says 6:59 a.m.
Yep. So after I'm done dodging all this, I will end stream because I want to get my editing done, and then tomorrow there will be another video.
Diceco says you're 17.
Yes, I am. Very old man. This is a-okay. Dodge all these guys. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I need to dodge these missiles here, but it's like this.
Diceco says I am 18, haha.
Wow. Unk status, alright. Can I dodge this? I think I can't, so I'm
Sparky says 19. Wrecked FR.
Oh, the save of a century. I lost my cockpit, but that's okay.
Sparky says almost 20 loudly _crying _face.
Yeah.
Diceco says Sparky you're old as fuck.
I mean, generally, my YouTube analytics says like everyone's like 35, which makes 0 sense because I know they're lying. All right. Okay, surely I messed up like all the missiles pathing while doing that. I mean, I just have to do the strife pattern. I'm going to be hit with these guys though, and I'm scared.
Sparky says we boomers DWABT it.
Yeah, 20 years old, boomer status. All right. Next time, we should invest in the stock market.
Like Diceco says ha 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 yet.
All right, it's over. I died. Okay, I'm probably gonna end the screen there. Look at all the missiles though. Kind of cool. I want to speed up time. See what this looks like. All right, this is cool. All right, that's it though. I will be ending stream.
Sparky says LOL.
Let's see. Hey, we end on a high note, alright? 6 people, well now 5, but...
Diceco says if you want to do a VID we can.
A VID.
Sparky says Sias.
Sice. Oh, you're that dice guy. Oh.
Fajar Surya Pratama says waving _hand.
Yes, that's so true. Well, Dice, if you want to do a vid, you should DM me on Discord. It's the best way.
Diceco says video.
Yeah, I know what vid stands for. Trust. Let's see. Let me see. Did I gain a subscriber? Oh, what did he do it?
Diceco says add me, haha.
Wait, I need to add you. All right, hold on. So I did not gain a subscriber. Sad. Sometimes I do. What do you mean add you? Okay, let me quickly just do that. Let's see. What your name's
Tempest
like?
Arc says guess what?
This guy. Tempest Arc. Oh, is that are you that guy who shows up when my or my live stream ends? Okay. There is no Dice Guy. Dice Guy does not
Sparky
exist.
says Cosmo Public Creative Go BRR. Use the infinite missiles LOL, last one standing XD. Tempest Arc says job application. Dice Go says I sent you in one of your videos in a comment.
Okay, I need to process what's going on here. So, we have Cosmo Public Creation for the missiles. Job application. Oh no, not job application. All right, I sent you. Yeah, I saw the comment that you sent, Dice Guy, and it's like something along the lines of DM me like how would I do that? Wait, can I pull it up? Search Dice Guy. Oh, Dice Guy does not exist. If I just put DM, that's probably gonna be good enough. No, damn, sad.
Tempest Arc says face purple white eyes.
Face purple white eyes. What does that even? Oh, that's that guy. All right. I don't know why YouTube has that guy, but oh, this is like searching videos. This isn't searching. Well, you said on this one, right? So if I just scroll down, I'll find it. All right. Let's see. Where? Oh, I'll find it eventually. No, not here. Oh, here it is. Hi, nice vids. You want to call films? Looking to play. DM me if you want to play. How? Explain. Explain to me the DM process. All right.
Tempest Arc says I love your videos. I watch them while in school. LOL.
Yeah, didn't you say that to me like 2 streams ago? It's been a while.
Dice Go says pack hashtag.
Pack. What does that even mean?
Dice Go says wait a minute, haha.
Well, the thing is that I can't DM you if your name isn't Dice Guy in the Cosmoteer Discord server. Like, that's just not.
Tempest Arc says, oh, I have bad memory, sorry.
Well, that's okay, because I have decent memory. Not on my PC, but I have at least have like 50 gigabytes of memory in real life, so I should be good. Okay, I'm waiting for Dice Guy's response here, because I don't know, like the whole DM me, even though it can't DM you because you don't exist. By the way, why is like the end part of my stream the most like viewed part? Like, come on, you had all this time to join in, and then you decide to join in now. But that's fine. But now there's no more chat. Chat's over. Pack up my bags because no one's here anymore. Chat rate of 4. Yo. Did my internet die?
Sparky says at Dice Go you got the USSR PFP.
USSR profile. Okay. Oh, I see. We're now at 4 people. I don't know. I think like Dice Guy left because of the allegations. I don't know. Or they're trying to grab something. Let's see. What time is it? All right.
Dice Go says here.
What do you mean you're here? Okay. Let me rephrase what I just asked you. All right. So you remember how you left this comment here that says DM me? Then I said that I couldn't DM you because I don't know how to reach you. And then you said
Sparky says there are 2 package on the main server.
oh like this. Oh, I see what's going on here.
Dice Go says what's? Dice Go says package.
Wait.
Dice Go says hashtag. Dice Go says 3978.
Is this the one? I mean, I thought you you go to my channel. Channel. All right. Dice guy. I'm assuming this
Dice
is
Go says yes.
yes. Wait. Okay. Let me just check this guy's spelling real quick.
Dice Go says that's me.
Okay. Let me send you an epic message of H. Oh, alright. Message of H has been sent.
Sparky says gotcha. Sparky says lols.
Yeah, I got someone else in my other video. Was alright. Is that like a jinxie thing? If I know correctly? Speed. Run. Like yeah. I got this guy too. Speed did it running? Come on. Alright. I think I'll end the stream there though. Because I think I'm done. I am done. I am ready to go edit my video. So goodbye. Thank you for watching the stream. And if I leave now, then